Yeah, that's the bike packed for 3 weeks trip, a week fishing. Yeah, that's a new one for me. A rather huge B&B hotel room with microwave, fridge, huge bedroom for one night. Another bed, cabinet, bathroom, hello, and most importantly, the beastie outside. Ready to leave the hotel, bikes packed. That was my hotel here. Yeah, I'm looking into riding a lot into thunderstorms today, so let's see what the day brings. All those dark blue, purpley areas are thunderstorms and heavy rain. Towards Lille and Brussels. Welcome to the Netherlands. Look at those skies, crazy. Already in Germany, happy days. Crossing the River Rhine. An opportunity to test my slow riding skills. There have been lots of congestions on the way. Only in Germany you see the emergency gap being kept free for emergency vehicles. Yeah, it's all part of the hotel. Yeah, that's a more standard room at a B&B hotel in Bremen city. Got the famous Bremer Stadtmusikanten, and the wharf, Bremerhaven, isn't far away. And a standard bathroom. Hello. Got underground car parking. Bus parking for my beastie. A mural remembering victims of fascism. Just walking back to the hotel, got myself a falafel wrap. I'm gonna eat that. Sunday evening, not a lot open here in Bremen near the fair, like exhibition center. Hamburg, Elbtunnel, always fun. Not. Yet just before the border to Denmark, there's a motorbike apparel shop. Then of course, a fishing tackle shop. Happy days traveling to Scandinavia. All still part of the Scandinavian Park in Andervit. Welcome to Denmark. Looks like somebody's backyard, but it's actually Aarhus Caps Harley Davidson. What a lovely shop. Dire need of some front wheel bearings. Great people. Pay them a visit when you're in the area. Slightly different setup for tonight. Just 2 miles outside of Hirtshals. That's where the hotel is. And this is my room. Nice and spacious. Television set. Even a small fridge, water cooker, bathroom. Hello, and a mirror. Early morning start. Let's find the ferry terminal. At Hirtshals ferry terminal, waiting for the check-in to open. The ferry leaves in about 2 hours. The ferry coming in from a distance. Beastie secured for the crossing. Not far to go, nearly home.